when life gets very chaotic and you know there's people in the back, you know, trying to mess around with you, and kids at home doing this, what you gotta do is make something very simple, something that you can make very quickly. And let's start before I get a bloody nose. Best part about this, a lot of veggies, okay? We're gonna start off with half an onion, real thin, and then grab Olaf's nose. It should be around the length of your pointer finger.
So this recipe that we are making today is actually a very trending recipe in Korea.
It's from Baek actually. Yeah.
Oh really? I actually saw it in the department stores.
And then we have some inaki mushrooms. It's one package. I chopped off the roots. When these get steamed, they get very chewy, and I just love the flavor.
Me too. Lately, there's a new drama that I've been watching, and it's called Memories of Alhambra.
But I don't know if the Korean Netflix choices are available worldwide.
Oh.
Finally, just a handful of Asian chives. They're flat here in the stems. Alright, and then perilla leaves. I know it's hard to find outside of Korea, so this one is really optional. Simply take off the stems here.
I wonder how many foreigners would enjoy the taste of perilla leaves. Just like some Koreans don't really like cilantro.
Alright, just like a salad, we just toss this together. Alright, tossed everything except for the perilla leaves. Put it into a mixing bowl, y'all. Next, we're gonna do around 300 grams of Chadolbaegi. Chadolbaegi is very thinly cut brisket, and I just want to show you.
Wow, yum yum.
So the beautiful part about Chadolbaegi, it has some meat and it has some fat on the bottom. It gives it a lot of flavor. But you can also just use any cut of shabu shabu meat. Just get it very thinly sliced. Grab a perilla leaf if you have it. Put it down. Put a mix of the vegetables. Just mix it up like that. And then you get this beautiful piece like that. It's really that simple. If your shabu shabu piece kind of keeps falling apart, what you can do is just dab your finger in flour and then just put some on the edge. And then roll it, and then it'll stay together. Alright, take a look at this. Very, very nice, I might say. Alright, so we're gonna steam these bad boys. So we need a little bit of water in a big pot. My steamer is like huge. It's like a little flower. So
that's a cool one.
Has
Good
a little
investment.
Has a little stand. It's one of the cheaper ones. Oh, too much water. Empty it back out. Should be good now. Yay.
Good.
Next we have some mung bean sprouts, not soybean sprouts. Soybean sprouts, they give off this smell, like really strong smell when they're steamed. Mung bean sprouts, they have these little beak. It looks like a pelican. This is the same mung bean sprouts that you put into pho, the Vietnamese pho.
Beautiful. We're gonna go around the pot.
Then go around the rosy.
Every time we cook a dish, the next day we smell the same dish in the corridor.
Yeah, I think our neighbor is actually one of our subscribers.
And they secretly watch our videos.
Yeah, so come say hi if you are watching. I'm gonna pop it off with the few shiitake mushrooms.
내가 예쁘게 또 해줄게.
Just putting extra vegetables just because we like it.
Nice.
Lid on. Alright, and we'll steam for a few minutes until the onions turn translucent. That's when you know it's ready. And if you think about it, we put in no seasoning. So we're gonna move this to the left and we're gonna make an awesome dipping sauce.
2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Doesn't matter, chunky or smooth, go with your personality. 1 tablespoon of sugar in. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Strange combo, but it will give that umami flavor. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds in. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2. Half tablespoon of minced garlic in.
Tastes good? Let me try.
안 돼.
Stop that, stop. Let me try. Ooh.
맛있지?
Oh. This sauce is killer. Chef Baek Jong, you're amazing. Put it out onto a tray.
Top it off with some green onions.
I think this has been one of the best tasting dips I've had like all year. It's just phenomenal.
Yeah, I think I can already see it's gonna go very well. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, I think it's ready. Oh
my God.
Goodness. Please don't fall. Please don't fall.
What are you doing?
Move. Get the plate. Get the plate.
뜨거워.
Oh, it's hot. Wow, look at that. Oh, Kitty.
Oh, can I just dig in?
Yes, please, so I can dig in next. Hurry. Oh my gosh. How is it?
Danielle is speechless. Let's just eat.
It's really good? Okay, alright guys, I'm out of here.
No, I'll get your reaction.
Holy.
It's so crunchy and then like
Everything is making
it's
sense
so
right now.
flavorful.
Everything's working.
Chadolbaegi tastes so good with this sauce.
Guys, bye bye.